Welcome to the channel, where today we bring you an exclusive look at the 2020 GMC Savana 3500 Limousine, a masterpiece of design, luxury and engineering. This is not just a limousine. It's a moving statement of prestige and comfort, designed for those who demand nothing less than the very best on wheels. From the outside, the Savana 3500 Limousine radiates power and elegance. Its stretched body design makes an immediate impression wherever it goes. The sleek chrome grille, bold LED headlights, and the extended length give it a commanding road presence that cannot be ignored. The smooth, aerodynamic lines, combined with a luxury-focused design, philosophy set this limousine apart from anything else in its class. Whether pulling up at a business event, a wedding, or a red carpet affair, this limousine guarantees all eyes will be on it. But the beauty of this limousine isn't just on the outside. The driving experience has been elevated to match the expectations of modern luxury. Step inside the driver's cabin, and you immediately notice the attention to detail. The dashboard is sleek, modern, and designed for convenience, offering intuitive controls with a digital cluster and premium finish. The driver's seat is wrapped in fine leather, ergonomically designed to ensure maximum comfort on long drives. Every button, every dial, and every surface is placed with precision, giving the driver an unmatched sense of control and ease. The passenger seating area is where true luxury begins. The plush leather seats are not only wide and supportive, but also crafted with premium stitching to enhance the feel of elegance. These seats are designed for maximum comfort, offering superior cushioning so passengers can sit back and enjoy the journey. The arrangement allows for spacious legroom, ensuring every ride feels smooth and relaxed, no matter how long the road ahead may be. Performance-wise, the GMC Savana 3500 limousine doesn't just look powerful, it truly is. With a strong engine under the hood, it ensures smooth acceleration and effortless cruising, whether navigating city streets or gliding along highways. The suspension system is tuned to perfection, making the ride remarkably smooth even on uneven roads. It's a blend of strength and grace that delivers reliability along with elegance. Safety remains a top priority. The limousine is equipped with advanced driver assist technologies, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and collision alert systems. Combined with solid build quality and precision engineering, it ensures peace of mind for both driver and passengers. In short, the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 limousine is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of status, luxury, and innovation. It merges commanding exterior design with a sophisticated driver's cabin and comfortable passenger seats to create a limousine experience that feels truly first class. So if you are looking for a luxury vehicle that makes a statement while delivering,